Welcome to Blessed Music Academy. All right, so today we'll be looking at something very important. Somebody or some person said I should talk about it. So I'm going to simplify it. Okay, circle of fifth. Circle of fifth. Okay, you may have seen it, okay, just like this that you're seeing on my page, just as you're seeing now, circle of fifth. Okay, so this thing you're seeing now, I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to show you how it is gotten. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Okay, like I did that with the staff is in my page. Okay, I think that was last 3 months ago. Is in my page, but I'm going to simplify it. All right. Okay, so the first thing you do is to get your C. Okay, this is my C. Remember circle of fifth. All right, this is my C, the key of C major, and in the key of C major we are moving tone. The pattern that every major scale follow is tone semitone, is something like this: tone semitone, tone semitone. Okay, that is the pattern that every major scale follows. Okay, so in the key of C there are no sharps, no flats. Look at it in on the dummy keyboard I drew here. This is 2 octave keyboard. Okay, so this is my tone semitone. So from C to D is a tone, from D to E is a tone. So I've already talked about this before. From E to F is a semitone. So you have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So there are no sharp, no flat. So let's continue. Now, circle of fifth. When we say circle of fifth, it means we move in fifth, the fifth note, okay, or the fifth letter. All right. So in the case of C major, the fifth is G. Look at it from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you write your G here. Okay. So we are moving the fifth, but in G, okay, if you follow the tone semitone, tone semitone, in G our F is sharpened. So let's do it. F to G, sorry, G to A is a tone because of the black key in between. A to B is a tone, so we have gotten tone is many semitone. B to C, no black key, is a semitone. So we need tone semitone. So C to D is a tone. D to E is a tone. So we have gotten 2 tones, we need another tone. E to F is a semitone. So what do? You sharpen F, you move to the nearest black key. So E to F sharp is a tone, while F sharp back to G is a semitone, which means in the key of G major, F is sharpened. All right. So what is the next circle of fifth? We on G, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is D. Okay, so that is the circle of fifth. The next one is D. All right, so the same method also. Where is our D? This is our D. Okay, D to E is a tone. E to F sharp is a tone, so F sharp is already sharpened. F sharp to G sharp. Sorry. D to E is a tone, one tone. E to F sharp is a tone, so we need a semitone. F sharp to G is a semitone. G to A is a tone. A to B is a tone. So I've gotten tone 2 is remaining one tone. B to C is a semitone. We move to C sharp, which means our C is sharpened, then back to D, which means C is sharpened. Now let me give you the simplest way to do this. Okay, so if you are on G, and then because G has one sharp, where will that sharp fall is the seventh note. The seventh note. So look at it. G, A, B, C, D, E, F. F sharp. So the seventh note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F is the seventh note, so you sharpen it. So when you're on D, the seventh note, another way, just once you're on G, just move backward and sharpen the seventh note, the back note. Okay, you're on D, move back. This is your D. You sharpen the next note that is behind D, or you count 7 from D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then sharpen it. Okay, the next one, our fifth note on D is, this is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next one is A. The next one is A. So what is sharpened in A? It is your G. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is your G that is sharpened. So just follow that pattern. Like I said, I'm going to simplify it that you will understand it very well. So this means that in the key of G major you have one sharp. In the key of D major you have two sharps, F and C. In the key of A major you have three sharps, F, C, G. Okay, now we're on A. What is the next key to construct fifth, circle of fifth? This is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is E. The next one is E. The next one is E. Don't mind me, I'm going to be doing a circle. Okay, even though it's not really circle, but just follow me. The next one is E. Okay, all right. So what is the key that should be sharpened in E? Move back. It is your D. Okay, so you just count from E, your seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, your D. Okay, now this means your E major, play your E major, your G sharpen, your C sharpen, your G sharpen, your D sharpen. Now let's try it on this our drawing. Remember the pattern: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Don't forget that pattern. So from E to F is a semitone, but we need a tone, so it will be E to F sharp, okay, which is one tone. F sharp to G sharp, another tone, so we need a semitone. G sharp to A is a semitone. Okay, we have gotten this, so now A to B is a tone, B to C sharp is a tone, C sharp to D sharp, okay, is a tone, then back to E, which is our semitone. Okay, so we are on E now. What is the next thing? We count 5. E, F, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next circle of fifth is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. So if you follow this, so this is B. So what is the key that should be sharpened? You're on B. This is our B. Count backward. or you count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is A. You sharpen your A sharp. Okay, which means in the key of B, F is sharpened, C is sharpened, G is sharpened, D sharp is sharpened, A sharp, A is also sharpened, D is sharpened, A is sharpened. Okay, that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in B major, in key of B major. Okay, so the next one after B will be F sharp major. F sharp major. Okay, now it is called F sharp because we would have said F. It is called F sharp because already we have a sharp key on G. We have F sharp on G, so there's no way it can be F because of this F sharp we have gotten on G. Okay, so where is the sharp going to be located? Okay, which key is sharpened in F sharp? The keys that are sharpened are F, C, G, D, A, and you can't backward, which is your E. Your E is sharpened. Okay, so in the key of F sharp major, F is sharpened, C is sharpened, G is sharpened, A is sharpened, D is sharpened rather, A is sharpened, and E is sharpened. Okay, the last one for the sharp keys is C sharp. The last one for the sharp key is C sharp. C sharp. And then what is the key that is sharpened? You just locate your C and then move back. It is B sharp. That means B is sharpened. Okay, B is sharpened. Okay, now these are simple methods of locating this. In C sharp, B is sharpened. So I use other ink to write it. So in G, F is sharpened, circle of fifth. This fifth of C is G, the fifth of G is D, the fifth of D is A, the fifth of A is E, the fifth of E is B, the fifth of B is F sharp, the fifth of F sharp is C sharp. Okay, now in C sharp, all the keys are sharpened. Look at it. C is sharpened, D is sharpened, E is sharpened, F is sharpened, G is sharpened, A is sharpened, which is here, B is sharpened, which is this. Now coming to C. Now these are sharp keys. Now the flat keys. Now we're going to begin from here. We have gotten C. The next one will be, so if we are moving in the circle of fifth. Now there are two methods to get the flat keys. If you are moving in circle of fifth, you count backwards. Okay? Or if you want to move in circle of fourth, you count forward, upwards. Now I'm going to count backward because I'm consulting this circle of fifth. So in C, this is my C. If I count backward, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My F. Okay? So my F. Okay? Now my F here. What note is flattened? Okay? What note is flattened? For you to know the note that is flattened, count fourth. Remember, in sharp, for you to know the note that will be sharpened, you count seventh. Okay? Now, for you to know the note that is flattened, you count fourth. So if I'm on F, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means in my F flat, in my F major rather, B is flattened. In my F major, B is flattened. Okay, just follow me. Then remember circle of fifth. So we have done F. We are on F now. So let's count fifth backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you want to count circle of fourth forward, you just count. This is your F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is your B. If you are counting backward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, from F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your B, which means already B is flatted, so you cannot say B major. You have to say B flat. All right, so my B flat. So what note is flattened in B flat? B is flattened. What note again is flattened? This is my B. You count forward. Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E is flattened. Okay, please, you are going to follow me because of this my board. All right, so I count circle of fifth backward from B. This is my B. Backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is E. Okay, E flat. Remember, E is flattened already. So I'm going to put this here. B flat, E flat. This is the symbol for flat. All right, just follow. The video may be long, but just follow. Okay, so what's the next thing to do? You count fourth. Okay, 4 from E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our A is flattened. So in the key of E flat, our B is flattened, our E is flattened, our A is flattened. So what's the next thing? From E, count 5. 1 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the next one is A flat major. What is the next? What is the key that should be flattened? You count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D is flattened. Okay, circle of fifth. All right, follow again. The next one, I'm rushing because of time. Okay, the next one, this is A. Count, look for your A and count backward. For fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is D flat major. So what is the key that should be flattened in D flat? D should be flattened, E should be flattened, A should be flattened, D should be flattened, and what other key? Look for your D here and count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G flat. G should be what? Flattened. All right. What next? The next key is D. You count the key is D. Count your 4. Your fifth backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G flat major. G flat major is the next key on circle of fifth. G flat major. Then from G flat, G, count your 4 to know the key that should be sharpened. 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp. C flat rather. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. C flat. All right, so what is the next thing? You count your fifth from your G backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C flat. C flat. So what is the key that should be flattened in C flat? B should be flattened, E should be flattened, A should be flattened, D should be flattened, G should be flattened, C should be flattened, and what key now? You count your C. 4 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. F flat. Okay, So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 sharp keys, 7 flat keys, and 1 natural key, making it what? 15 keys. So these are how we get circle of fifth. Very easy. Okay, so my next lesson will be relative minor keys. That's the next thing we will do. Relative minor keys. So when you follow this pattern, it's very simple getting your keys or playing in circle of fifth. If you are a keyboardist or you are a musician, play in circle of fifth. If you follow this pattern, it will be as simple as A, B, C. Please share this video, share and comment. Thank you.